What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down Initia Coin, a project that has absolutely exploded in the last 24 hours. We're talking about a 70% intraday surge, strong multi-time frame gains, and a price structure that's finally waking up after months of consolidation. So let's dive deep into the numbers, the momentum, and what this move could mean going forward. Initia Coin is currently trading at 12.225 cents, and just look at this move. Price jumped from 7.229 cents to an intraday high of 13.77 cents, all within 24 hours. That's not a small pump. That's a textbook breakout driven by strong momentum and aggressive buying pressure. Even after a slight pullback from the high, price is still holding very strong levels, which is a bullish sign. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. This move isn't happening in isolation. Initia's performance as of today, up 90% in the last 7 days, up 50% in the last 14 days, up 30% in the last 30 days. This tells us one thing clearly. Amanri bonsaxen, en armi popo suben power amor, destower umpakrum, bombotser en enderpromod, bonsaurube, wenam woldan didi. When Nani quadling consistently, not randomly. Smart money usually enters before retail notices, and these numbers suggest accumulation has been happening quietly. Let's put this into perspective. The all-time low was just 5.84 cents on February 6, 2026, and the all-time high hit $1.42 on May 13, 2025. From that all-time low, Initia has already more than doubled, but honestly, it's still trading way below its all-time high. That gap alone tells us something important. This rally still has plenty of upside room if sentiment keeps improving. A 70% move in 24 hours usually scares weak hands. But, you know, strong coins behave differently. What I'm seeing here is buyers actually defended price after the spike. There was no instant crash back to previous lows. We're seeing higher lows form on lower time frames. That suggests buyers are in control, not just short-term pump traders. Here's how I'd break it down. Support zone is between 10 and 10.5 cents. Immediate resistance is around 13.7 to 14 cents. If we see a break and hold above 14 cents, that really opens the door for a much stronger continuation move. And if price consolidates above support instead of dumping, that's extremely bullish. Initia Coin is showing strong recovery behavior, multi-time frame momentum, and renewed market interest. To summarize, there was a massive 70% move in 24 hours, consistent gains across 7, 14, and 30 days, and it's still far from its all-time high. Plus, we're seeing a healthy structure after the pump. This is exactly how early trend reversals start in crypto. As always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, manage your risk, and never FOMO blindly. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments.